In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A27, and today I would like to show you how you can delete Google search bar from home screen. First of all, you need to hold your search bar and wait for this pop-up to show. When it does, hit remove and wait. As you can see, after a few seconds, my search bar was successfully deleted. Now, if you ever wanna restore it, just hold your display. Hit Widgets at the bottom between Themes and Settings. Scroll. Click on Google, which is here. Scroll again. Tap on your search bar and select Add. Then hold it, place it wherever you want to, and let go. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!